That's the question we just asked. So I have a question about, what do you think of the outdoor classroom? How does that help you learn science this year? And we'll start with Miguel, then we'll go to India, then we'll go to Ashley.
Well, I would like to say that we learn mostly science from the outdoor classroom because it's more like you're not reading about it in a book. You're going outside and you're experiencing it. You're knowing it firsthand. You're getting to know what it is because you're seeing how it goes. And like how you see how a flower grows, you can go each day outside and you can see when it's a seed, and you can see when it grows and grows. It grows into a flower because you're experiencing how it's growing and knowing how is it going to be and where is it going to be.
I really agree with that. Me too.
Okay. You want to add anything, or did that explain it pretty well?
You explained it pretty
Okay, we're
well.
gonna.
But I would like to add something.
Oh, add something. Go ahead.
That, like Miguel said, you, instead of reading in a book, like pictures of it, you can in the outdoor classroom can really help because when we walk into the outdoor classroom, we can see different animals and plants that we've never seen before, like many-sized ecosystems, like slugs, ants, spiders, grasshoppers, and soul bugs. And actually, one time we were making a terrarium, we were trying to get get some animals. I actually saw a grasshopper jumping, and also I got to hold one in my hands.
What was the most surprising thing you discovered in the outdoor classroom? We'll start with Ashley.
The most surprising thing was me putting in the cricket in my ecosystem. Cause it really, I thought it was scary because when I just got my hand in there, I put it in quickly, so it was scary.
What about you, Miguel? What was the most surprising thing you discovered in the outdoor classroom?
The most surprising thing I discovered in the outdoor classroom was seeing that there's different kinds of animals and different kinds of plants that I've never heard of and never seen.
Like what?
Like how in the meadow I saw that there is different kinds of sunflowers, different kinds of leaf flowers. Like I saw there was like burns, little things that collect the pollen, and then it sticks to the thread, and it can stick to you. And it looks like little spikes, but it doesn't stick on leather. It feels like it hurts, but it doesn't.
What about you, India? Surprising thing?
This is the most surprising thing I ever saw in my life. At first I would never think it was out there, and y'all would probably believe me on this, but you know where the top of the hill is, right? Where the grasshoppers jump on the side. I saw a mini Venus flytrap catching flies. I was so surprised because I wouldn't think that there would be one of those in the outdoor classroom. I thought they would need to go somewhere else, out in the country somewhere.
Did you say mini Venus flytrap?
Yes,
I disagree with you.
Yes, I was surprised. I was thinking I would never see one out there, but I actually did. I was like, oh my goodness.
Well, you'll have to show that to me next time we go out.
It's
I disagree with you because mostly Venus flytraps grow in rainforests.
Do they? Well, that's interesting. Another question we'll have to look up, huh?
How
Okay.